The chipset that might support some of the Galaxy S24 models in 2019 appeared. Its 10-core CPU, the Exynos 2400, includes a Cortex-X4 core clocked at 3.1 GHz, 2 Cortex-A720 cores up to 2.9 GHz, 3 more Cortex-A720 cores up to 2.6 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A520 cores up to 1.8 GHz. Additionally, it will include an updated Xclipse 940 GPU with AMD's RDNA2 technology, which has twice as many graphics compute units. In addition, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be able to surpass the 1750 nits of the current Ultra with a peak brightness of nearly 2200 nits. Last but not least, according to rumors, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will move to a flat screen, much as the first Galaxy S phones did. Fans will undoubtedly disagree on this. Some will applaud the decision while others will lament it. The new Titan Gray coloring will be offered instead of gold for the Apple iPhone 15 Pro variants. And the 15 Pro Max will apparently be delayed, according to reports. Rumor has said that shipments will start in October. Pre-orders for the Infinix 035G will be accepted beginning on September 2nd. It will include a stylish Rome green and golden hour color scheme, a 50MP selfie camera, 12 GB of RAM, and IP53 water resistance. It will sport a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz up front. To be sure you haven't missed anything crucial, see the whole list of the 34th week's most read articles.